Cow.
Muy bien. We need a cow because without cow, no milk, and without milk, no cheese. Okay. One cow produces 30 liters of milk per day, 15 in the morning and 15 in the evening. We receive the milk and we put in this cheese barrel. This cheese barrel has a double wall. Between this wall, we put water to heat the milk until 29 degrees. Then we put this liquid called rennet to cook the milk and place 3 knives into the machine to mix for 30 minutes. Then we have two substances. The liquid called whey we give back to the animals because it has a lot of proteins. Also for us, it's very good for our digestive system. Because it has a lot of proteins. And the solid part called curd we use to make the cheese. The curd we put in this mold. This mold has some holes in the bottom. We put the curd and we put the tap and we place in this pressing machine for about 4 hours to take the whey out. After that, we have the form of the cheese, but without any flavor. That's why we have to put the cheeses in a salt bath for about the small ones for about 6 hours, more big ones for about 12 hours, and cheeses over 20 kilos for about 2 or 3 days. Then we put the cheeses in the wooden shed to dry for about 1 or 2 days, and we tour. Then we plastify the cheeses to avoid the bacteria getting in. The 2 more common cheeses we have in Holland, there are this one. This one is called Gouda. It's 6 weeks old, 30% fat, very creamy and delicious. And this one is called Edam. Is 6 months old. We plastify and also we put a layer of paraffin to avoid the moisture getting out. It's 30% fat, it's very creamy and salty. In the farm we have different types of cheeses. For example, we have this one. What do you think is this one?
Pesto.
No. It's marijuana. No, fly. This one we only use the seeds. We don't put any additive. It's very good. We have pesto, special for pasta. We have nettle, very good for our skin. We have this one is called Gouda, or Gouda is 1 year old, 48% fat, very hard. We have this one, it's called Edam, it's 2 years old, it's very hard. Someone play football? Yeah, we can play. It's 40% fat, we use like Parmesan. We have trufa, very good. This one is a small sachet. Okay, in the shop you're gonna taste all different types of cheeses. Don't worry. We have this knife we use to put for cheeses. This one for cut the small and soft cheeses. This one for the bigger and hard cheeses. And this one for gratin and salad. All the cheeses we have, you can take to your country without any problem. And you can keep it for 6 months without open. When you open, you can keep it for 6 weeks, but you have to seal it and put in the fridge. Okay? That's it.
Thank you.
I'm gonna invite you. Are you gonna do the shoot? Okay, invite you to the order. Thank you very much.